Hello guys, welcome to a day in my life. We are at the gym. It is Wednesday the 16th. I'm hitting back, Sam's hitting legs.
Yeah, baby.
It is 9:30 in the morning. I want to take a taste of this because we got these like random energy drinks. It's a lot of caffeine and beta-alanine, but the flavor's berry habanero.
We don't even know where they came from.
Yeah, I don't know, but they showed up at our house and they all were spicy. Like there was like watermelon chili and like something cayenne.
I'm so nervous for you.
I know. It doesn't smell spicy.
Okay, good. It's probably the aftertaste though.
Oh, that's so interesting.
Gonna try? I'm
your,
curious.
It burns your throat a little.
No.
It like tastes like, it would be really good as like a marg.
Ew, it has like this weird taste in my teeth.
But like the strawberry flavor is like good.
I don't know.
But it's such a small can and it's 300 milligrams, so I don't have to drink. I don't have to drink a lot.
Are you gonna drink the whole thing? I'm drinking a 3D.
like,
Am I gonna
like
finish it? Probably not. You like it?
It's like
It's
not
not
bad.
leaving a weird taste in your teeth?
On my teeth, no. It's more so like in my throat. It's super interesting. I don't know how to feel. But anyways, let's go. Okay, I'm back from the gym and I'm going to make a shake because I have not been on my eating grind at all, and I'm going to make a very I'm going to make a really high calorie shake. I don't know why I can get this lid off. Good boy. Alright, we'll use the remote. I'm gonna do oats. Two tablespoons of, no, not two, 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, actually. Okay. 2 scoops of vanilla protein powder. I'm going to do 100 grams of blueberries, some soy milk as the liquid, some ice, and a little bit of chia seeds, just like a tablespoon or so. It's so thick, but it's actually really good. I think I might need to eat it with a spoon. No, it is not working. I just showered and threw on this new Raw Gear crew neck that I just got. I got it in 2 colors. It's part of the new launch that's launching the 22nd, I believe. But I got it in black and I got it in tan. Super cute. I really like it. I really liked the design and the fit of it. I think I got a medium, but I'll double check, and maybe I'll do like a mini haul later of other things I got because I got a lot of jackets and they're super cute. Truth is, I just took a like 40-minute nap. Oops. I was just on the couch on TikTok and I was so sleepy. I just took a nap. But I actually do need to make lunch. I've only like made food in this friggin' video, but I need to make lunch and then get to doing work. I don't know why, I just like needed to power nap a little. Sam's at her eyelash appointment. And my only set thing to do today is a podcast at 3, and then I think we're gonna get pedicures, but I do need to do like 2 TikTok ads. I kind of want a coffee, but I already had an energy drink today. Hopefully that's not good, right? I don't know. I feel like that high calorie shake put me in a food coma. This is my first time tracking macros in like a week as well. I'm doing black beans and rice because that's like high-key one of my favorite foods. So bomb. She's beautiful. Yum. Okay, so Sam's back and we both agreed that we're so freaking tired. I made 2 of the TikToks I have to make, so I did get up and do something. I have 2 more to make. But we have a podcast with a guest in an hour, and when we podcast with the guest, we just like need energy. We need to be into it. We can't be like yawning and low energy because we got to keep it hype and good vibes. So we're gonna go get a coffee. We're gonna bring macro. Not on the rug. I literally did this for the vlog and forgot to bring my camera. 100% necessary. Guys, we've been trying to donate these like full things of water with like all these like snacks to homeless in the area. We always see the same few people on the streets, like kind of near our apartment, and recently they haven't been there. Which, I mean, we have no idea where they are, but we've been trying to give this stuff away to them, to like this one lady that we see all the time, and we haven't seen them. So we're just, every time we drive, we just are searching everywhere to try to see if we can find them to give them water and snacks. I have 20 minutes to make like a kind of get ready with me makeup TikTok. I think I can do it in 20 minutes. Here we go. Wish me luck. I got it done in 15 minutes, and now it is time to podcast.
Do you leave your door open?
I don't.
I feel like you did. And I can be grabbing that.
Okay, so we had a miscommunication about, I guess, well, maybe on his end.
I don't think so.
I don't know. Somehow, Zoom did not happen. He didn't come on. We thought we agreed on a time, but maybe.
No, we do. We did for that.
Whatever. Still have to figure that out. But I'm starving, so I'm having chips. And we're gonna go get pedicures. Things, if you, it's like when you were little, there was no like streaming stuff or like TV recording. So if you missed a show, like you couldn't really watch it again. You had to sit down.
Were we that old?
When I was young,
I feel like that's like our parents maybe.
No, and did you have like TiVo?
See what?
TiVo? Like you TiVo it?
No, I have no idea what that is.
Like we were definitely on like the early age of like recording stuff. But this is like so famous. Okay, I just got back to some packages, so let's do an unboxing, shall we? I don't know what this one is.
Voice crack? Sounds like a voice crack, yeah.
Oh. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's here.
What is it?
My Shein.
Oh, yay!
I got some like bathing suits and stuff from Shein. Link in Instagram bio. Oh my god, yay! Oh my god, wait, stop. Happy about that. Okay, this is from Hydro Drug. I don't know what this is either. Oh, yeah, I did ask for this, I guess. So cute. Brown cow print. Lastly, this is from Misfits. I really hope it's protein powder because the amount of Misfits bars I have is like actually concerning. Fuck.
Is it actually?
Flavor.
No. Like, you need to show the world how many you have right now because like, I don't think they understand. Like, I really don't think they understand. Guys, this isn't even half of it.
This is just the unopened one.
This is not even half of it.
Oh, maybe? Should we do like a giveaway?
You can do a giveaway, sure. Or on the podcast? No. Well, I mean, no. I mean, if you want, I think you should just do it on your page.
Okay. Go to my Instagram. Maybe I'll give them away to like one of you because I have so many unopened boxes and I just don't think I'm gonna eat them. So go to my Instagram to see if we do a little giveaway. Now I'm gonna make dinner. It's like almost 5:30. I was gonna make pasta. I've had pasta every day for the last 2 weeks for dinner. Sam said I should branch out. So we're gonna branch out and I'm gonna make tofu egg rolls. They look so cute.
Yo, you are becoming way too high maintenance.
Adorable. I'm gonna take them out. Macro, shut up. And we're gonna go live while we eat, obviously. Sam made like a salad and some tofu, yum. And these look just about ready. They were in here for like a little less than 10 minutes. Super cute.
You can't even see me.
It's alright. Yeah, you can. This is when I FaceTime David every night because he finishes his baseball games. So I can only talk to him at nighttime. Aww.
Won.
Huh?
We won.
Yay! Woo! Also, guys, I wanted to show you the Raw Gear stuff. So this new little zip up, super, super cute. It's like fleece material. It says, for the people up here, Raw Gear. Adorable. I really like zip ups and I don't have any raw gear zip ups, so I really like this one. This is a shirt that's already on the website. I just have it in a gray color and I love it. I wear it a lot, so I wanted it in another color, so I got it in black. It's like a mix of a crew neck and a long sleeve. I love these shirts. I think they're so comfy. Needed the second color. This is the same crew neck I was wearing, just in tan, and I did get a large in it. Love it. Love the back. And then I got this like tie-dye hoodie, also kind of like a fleece material. I got this in a large as well. Super comfy. Raw gear hoodies are my favorite. Close to where I'm wearing them all day long. The launch is February 22nd. Nighttime routine is all done. You guys know if you keep up. I just use this face wash, my Paula's Choice moisturizer. Oh, I need to change this sweatshirt. That's what I forgot to do. LOL, I'll do this after. I knew I was forgetting something. Taking this sweatshirt off. But yeah, do all of that. I just picked up a little bit of things that I pick up in my room so I can wake up to a tidy room. And then after I change this, I'm gonna watch Project Runway. I've been super into that recently. Lamp on. Overhead light off. Because I hate overhead lights, always just a lamp. And that was a very realistic day in my life. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Good night, or good morning, whenever you're watching this. Okay, bye.